Accidentally deleted a Jira project? Don't panic. In 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to restore it. First, we will access Jira settings, then navigate to the trash, and finally, restore your project with just a few clicks. So, start by logging into your Jira account. This is the moment where you might be feeling that knot in your stomach, wondering if all that work is gone for good. But trust me, it is not. We are just getting started. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is the gateway to all your Jira settings, and it is where the recovery process begins. I have walked through this exact flow with dozens of teams, and this is always the first step. From that drop-down menu, you want to select Spaces. Now, do not let the name throw you off. In Jira, this is where you manage all your projects and configurations. Think of it as the control room. Once you are in Spaces, take a deep breath. We are almost there. Now, on the left side panel, you will see an option labeled Trash. Click on that. This is the safety net that Jira provides. Your project is not permanently deleted. It is sitting safely in this digital recycling bin, waiting for you to bring it back. I have seen a lot of people miss this step because they assume it is gone forever. So keep your eyes on that left sidebar. All right, so now you are looking at a list of all your deleted projects. Find the one you want to restore and click on the 3 dots next to its name. This is where the action happens. That little menu holds the key. From that menu, select Restore. Just one click. You are literally one step away from getting everything back. Then a confirmation dialog will pop up. It is just asking, "Are you sure?" Click Restore again to confirm. And that is it. Your project is back exactly as you left it. All the issues, all the boards, everything is restored in under a minute. So there you have it. From panic to confidence in just a few clicks, now you know exactly what to do if it ever happens again.